Oh my goodness, guys. Where do I look? Do I look there or do I look? I just won something in life. I never win anything. This is pretty, I won something. I won something. Anyways, guys, this is crazy. I just entered a contest through my local camera store, bought a camera. Great guys, great bunch of guys. And Canon Canada, they teamed up. It's just a local camera store. Did I say that already? All I had to do was just post photos on Instagram, just share my photography. Like, you know what? Hey, I'll just give it a try. You know, it's easy. I already have some photos. And a couple of weeks went by, and then bam, I get a message on Instagram that says I won. And I was in shock. Heart beated, definitely heart beated. I try to contain it. This is crazy because this is something that I haven't seen before, and I don't think there's anything else. I don't think Canon has ever made another kit like this. I don't know. I cannot confirm. There's probably something out on YouTube. I haven't checked. I don't know. But I do for sure know that this is not something you see every day, and I'm pretty sure this is rare. This could be the only one out there. If not, I don't know. I'm sure Canon would have made more. Come on, why would they make one and just send it to, you know, our local camera store? And this is it, guys. It says, let them know. That's what I did. That's it right there, guys. Oh, we're coming out. EOS M50. You know, this just came out. This camera just came out in February of 28th of February? This year, February. And I am super excited. So let's get unboxing and see what this camera is all about. You know, this EOS M, it's people say it's a cool camera. Cool camera. I got camera stuff in the background. I hope you don't care. Behind the scenes at the same time, you know. So it comes in this beautiful black box, and it's got Canon branding there. EOS M. Smells like Belgian waffles. It just slides right out like that. That is, it's a massive box. Let's put that there for a side. Wow, guys. Just look at this.
Would you look at this?
Camera and 3 lenses. Okay, three lenses. Whoa. And a little JLBA tripod. At least it's a JLBA. At least it's a brand. Sometimes they just give you these, like, you know, weird no-name brands, and then it just flies away with the wind. Got the Canon EF M. So these are all M lenses. Obviously, the mirrorless body. It's a crop sensor camera. We got the 22mm. The 15 to 45. And then this lens, which is I'm really excited to try, which is kind of different, is this 28mm f3.5 IS macro lens. And it's got this cool LED ring there. I'm really excited to try that out because that's so cool, like a built-in LED ring light. Pretty neat. And JLBA tripod. Wow, this is very it's not bad. It's nice that they include it. It's very light and it feels very, actually it doesn't feel that bad for this size and for holding that's solid, you know. JLBA. And of course, you guys, we got the EOS M5. We got the EOS M5. That is very cool. And it's got the tilty. Got the tilty flippy screen. Very nice. Crop sensor. So obviously Canon now has a full frame mirrorless, which is the EOS R series. So yeah, it's got a record button right there, so it's very easy to access. You can be vlogging on people, very easy. Somewhere in the back, nope, there isn't, just in the front there, which is not a bad spot. And it's got a USB slot, micro USB, and a mini HDMI port, and that looks very mini. Micro HDMI, is there such a thing? Anyways, and it's got a microphone port, which is good. But come on, a headphone jack, like just put in a headphone jack. Like why are so many companies just give us headphone jacks? It's fine. I'll pay $20 more. It's fine. Unless they're charging $100 for a headphone jack, then don't put it in. So this thing does shoot 4K. This shoots 4K at 120 frames. No, I'm just kidding. Wish. So it does 4K in 24 frames, and it does 1080 in 60 frames and 720 in 120 frames. Now 120 is nice, like, but I don't want 720. I don't know, who knows, maybe some people do. Maybe you like watching videos and your computer is super slow, you just haven't updated it, and your highest quality is 720 and 480 is where you're kind of sitting at. And oh, this is cool. I didn't know that. Can you guys see that? Canon actually included an SD card in there. That's really cool. 32 gigabyte Ultra SD card. Not bad. Not bad. You know, there's better. But hey, you included a card, Canon. Well done. I have some stuff in here as well. So we got the Canon EOS strap. We got a what? Huh? What is that? We've got a square thing. Very nice, very useful. Oh, maybe it just keeps the top part from compressing in. And we got it looks like a little cap for one of the lenses that screw on. Maybe it protects the macro. Oh, maybe it blocks the ring light. Oh, let's just try it. Oh, there you go, guys. There you go. So that's what that does. We got the charger and the battery. Very nice. One is LPE12. This is the first Canon battery that's different from what I own. What's the first? Yeah, I have a bunch. I wish it took LPE6. That'd be cool. Because I have a 5D Mark IV, a 60 Mark II, and an 80D. And they all take the same batteries, except this one. That's all right. I'll probably buy another one. Hey, I didn't spend a single cent on this kit, so you know this kit is valued around, guys, $1,800 Canadian. It could be worth more, I'd say, if you were to sell it, just because of how it's packaged and because it's so unique. But anyways, I plan on keeping this thing anyways, because this thing doesn't come around too often, and I don't win things that often, so this is a cool thing to have first time. So being a photographer and all that, and it comes with this, what is it, this cleaning cloth, it looks like. I thought it was a pouch at first. Oh yeah, it's very nice. So, wow, this is quite the easy wrapper. This is quite the cloth that Canon gives you. I mean, like, do I clean the lens with it? Do I clean I guess I could clean the body with it, but this is literally, guys, like a bath towel. Don't use bath towels this small though. That would be a bad idea. And you got the manuals, warranty information. Very impressed with this contest. And so this is a mirrorless camera, and the cameras that I own, as I mentioned earlier, the 5D and the 62, they're all with the optical viewfinder, analog viewfinder, whatever you want to call it. And I am a huge fan of that. I'm not a fan of the mirrorless, the EVFs. That being said, the first EVF I tried was on a Sony A7. That was ages ago, and I was not impressed with it. There was like lag, and like it just didn't feel good. Like it felt slow. It felt like I would miss the shot when something would, when timing wise, it just feels like it wasn't as precise. Whereas an optical viewfinder, you can see exactly what's happening. Like there's no delay. You're literally looking it through the mirror, and I don't know, like Sony now, they have this 5 million dot EVF, and apparently it's going to be amazing. But Best EVF out there, from what I've heard, is actually from the Canon EOS R, and it's got a 3 point something million dot EVF, and everyone was saying that that's one of the best EVFs they've ever seen and used, and I'm pretty excited for that. So that I'm definitely willing to give it a try. I mean, I know mirrorless is the future, and then I think that we'll all, you know, start heading out to. Oh, look at that! This is flips up. No, I am not ruining it. It is meant to be flipped up by hand, pretty sure, because there's a little nub. Interesting Canon. Yeah, that's good. One less mechanical part, I guess, right? One less moving part. I mean, it moves, but it's not electronic. Yeah, this is a built-in manual flash. I just looked it up. It's a built-in manual flash. And I think Canon overall did a nice job on just a vlogging camera, and they priced it really well. And this goes for any one of you guys. You know, just go and shoot, and you know, if you really enjoy it, it's just going to come to you naturally, and that's what it was to me. And then I guess it paid off in this contest, and you know, this $1,800 worth of stuff. You just keep doing what you love, and just, you know, share it, you know, expose your photography to your friends and to the world, and just, you know, let it become available. And I think that's so important, because people know what's out there, and then people know what you're doing, and you know, you get more attention, and you know, you get yourself gigs, and then you get money, and then you can buy equipment, and then when you get equipment, it can bring you in more money, and you get better equipment, then you get more experience, and the list goes on, guys. Like, you know, just share your photos, share your videos. Like, it's good and it doesn't hurt. And you know, I just shared a couple of photos, and now I have a M50, which I'm excited to use, and yeah, all this good stuff. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. If I missed anything, if you'd like to know anything, this is you know, just a short review of the camera, nothing too detailed of it, but yeah, thanks, guys. See ya.